Okay, we are actually on top of Bell Tower, 6 floors up. So I want to show you the view around Bell Tower.
You should show down. Show down here. See?
Let's see how far. See, we're actually standing here. Whoa!
Yo.
Let's look below. Actually, you see further up, we can see
Yes, we stay there.
we can see our hotel is somewhere there.
This is a Ritz-Carlton hotel. Look at
This is Ritz-Carlton.
very nice.
So I'll just take you a walk around.
Scared.
Very nice. That's the Four Seasons Hotel. Ritz-Carlton Hotel. And this is the lift that brought us down. You can see the Swan River.